The inventor of the Lancet suicide drone is a genius. There will no longer be a need to use humans. Two-pilot suicide planes, surely a nightmare for Western tanks. And the price is only from 20,000 to 40,000 USD. Can be mass-produced? Compare. Dagger hypersonic missile worth 10 million USD. The Lancet drone is 1.65 meters long. The fuselage has two pairs of X-shaped wings. The length of the wing is exactly 1 meter. This is compared to the size of an adult. The front of the drone is an electro-optical guidance system. Targets can be tracked in real time. Armor-piercing rear explosive warhead. Can easily penetrate tank armor. Power is provided by an electric motor at the rear. The fastest speed can reach 110 km per hour. Battery life is 40 minutes. It is also very simple to use. Firstly, launching a Seahawk reconnaissance drone using a catapult. Let it detect the target first. Now attach the Lancet's X-wings. It also uses catapults to aid takeoff. Seahawk aircraft transmit real-time reconnaissance data to Lancet drones. Then the speed will quickly rush towards the target. Speed up to 300 km per hour. At a glance, all enemy tanks and armored vehicles were destroyed.